certification holds weight. It's like going to, college and you get your degree. You're able to charge more money. You're able to put yourself at a higher standard than everybody else, So this was definitely well worth it.
My name is Gonzalo. I'm owner of Luxury Mobile Detailing, and we're here to actually just expand our window tinting, PPF wrapping. We actually took the detailing class here already. We took that about last year during COVID. So we're just here to learn and expand.
How you doing? My name is Michael Grant. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. These are my two brothers.
My name's Nico Forts. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
Isaiah Forts from Boston, Massachusetts.
And we were here today to participate in the window tint course.
So we're actually fairly new. We started in about August of last year, and we grew pretty fast. So we definitely want to offer more services.
We were looking to just expand, came out here 2 years ago. Business started growing. I started getting a lot of details, and it was like, we got to the point where we were looking towards getting a shop. So we wanted to implement something else, just to keep business flowing, in the off season, because we're seasonal down there. So, wintertime, tint's always moving.
The first day was real easy, kind of explained everything. We do things 3-4 times, teaches us 3 different methods. We do about 4, we get 4 tries each method, so that's pretty cool. We're working with other people, kind of share our knowledge, not just us. Help out the other people that are getting left behind. That way we're all caught up at the same pace.
Ruben's excellent, easygoing guy, people's person, so as he broke things down and we started to get a little more hands-on, it became, with the repetitions, it became a lot easier. By the second day, you somewhat got it, but there's still tips and tricks that, Ruben helped us along. By the third day, you're just rolling. You don't have to look at your sheet anymore, you know the steps.
He was very patient, with mess ups and stuff like that. He came over, he showed us corrected us and showed us what we had to do to fix it and things like that. So it was a good experience working with Ruben.
It's fun, dude. We're working with other people, we're learning from each other. If Ruben's not there, they kind of help us out.
Everybody helped out. I had the opportunity of working with Danny. If I missed a step, he was always there to push me in the right direction. If I also worked with a couple other people. Everybody's just different. Everybody has a different perspective.
The process of us getting certified, and we know what to look out for. We know how to use the tools. We know how to, if there's any like mess ups, then we know how to come across those mess ups. We know how to deal with them. There was a lot of times we had to just tear it off and redo it because we messed something up. And Ruben's like, what? I know where you messed up. Fix it, do this, and redo it. Cool thing about it is that we're not just doing one car, we're doing a couple cars.
Well, I think the certification holds a lot of weight. Sometimes people want to know that you're trained and you didn't just go on YouTube and, YouTube, you think you know everything on YouTube. I was watching YouTube coming in here and I thought I knew everything. All wrong, it's garbage. Certification holds weight. It's like going to, college and you get your degree. You're able to charge more money, you're able to put yourself at a higher standard than everybody else, So this was definitely well worth it.
It's not always better to, go with the cheapest person. So I gotta say is that we charge what we're worth because we're certified, we're insured. We did the training, we spent the money on the equipment, we have confidence, We're not gonna lowball ourselves just to please somebody else or holding on to your money and trying to, make it stretch, My name is Gonzalo Chavarria. I'm from Fresno, California. I have a business, Luxury Mobile Detailing, LLC. Definitely starting a window tint business too. Soon after this. Keep a lookout, follow our Instagram, luxury_detailing 559.
I'm Isaiah Forts from Boston. I want to thank my brothers for bringing me here to learn. I want to thank Ruben for teaching me how to tint.
Yeah, I'm Nico Forts from Boston, Massachusetts. I just want to say, I want to thank my brother for starting this and putting us on, giving us a vision. But not just giving us the vision, we're very family oriented. We want to, start a family business,
Again, my name is Michael Grant, Boston, Massachusetts. We're here representing Life Change Detailing. I think for a young person coming in, this is an excellent business for whatever course you decide to come here for. You know, you get all the knowledge, you know, you get your certification, and you know, it's a small money in business that can make you a lot of money, you know. You hear often of, you know, window tinters that make over 100,000 a year just tinting windows. So if you're doing window tint, vehicle wrap, you know, detailing, small money in, a lot of reward, you know, and then with the knowledge that you gain here, I mean, it's a no-brainer.